Indeed, the unthinkable has taken place. The case that Ripple filed against the SEC was successful. In addition, analysts forecast that the value of XRP Ripple will climb by 60,000%. Some people believe that history revolves around cycles and that the expansion of XRP Ripple is unavoidable. It's quite cool, isn't it? Indeed, that is the most essential DVD for each and every holder. First things first, without further ado. Let's get right down to business. I hereby defer. Disruptions are not something that are unfamiliar to the world of Bitcoin. It is particularly mind-boggling to consider the recent changes that have occurred in relation to XRP Ripple. The feeling is encapsulated in a tweet by Mikkel, which states that a new age is on the horizon and that XRP disruption is mind-boggling. This upheaval is further highlighted by key legal rulings that have the potential to transform the market for XRP and other digital assets that are comparable. Bill Morgan, a legal expert who is known for his pro-XRP attitude, has emphasized the recent order that District Judge Amy Berman Jackson made in the Binance case as a significant milestone for XRP. As a result of Judge Jackson's decision, which invalidated certain aspects of the Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Binance, it became clear that it is essential to differentiate between digital currency and proposals to sell them. The significance of this discrepancy lies in the fact that it lends credence to the contention that XRP is not a security. In reaching his decision, Judge Jackson relied on precedents that had been established in a number of district court cases that involved SEC enforcement proceedings against cryptocurrencies. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that she made reference to the decision that Judge Analisa Torres made in the Ripple case, which declared that the XRP currency itself is not an investment contract. In accordance with the Supreme Court's understanding of what constitutes an investment contract within the context of the definition of a security, this divergence is consistent. Morgan chastised CoinDesk for failing to properly acknowledge the relevance of Judge Torres' findings, which Judge Jackson considered to be both illuminating and convincing. A ruling that was made in July 2023 states that XRP itself is not a security. This omission is extremely important because Judge Jackson's agreement with Judge Torres confirms the notion that XRP is not a security. Morgan went on to underline the significance of this decision by pointing out that it coincides with Judge Torres' interpretation of the third element of the Howey test. The anticipation of financial gain as a result of the efforts of other people is the subject of this aspect. It's an important factor to consider when deciding whether or not an asset is a security. The approach that Judge Rakoff took in the Terraform case, on the other hand, did not differentiate between institutional and programmatic buyers of tokens. Morgan contends that this interpretation is less desirable than the other two. The opinion of Judge Jackson, which is in agreement with the reasoning of Judge Torres, provides a more solid legal foundation for the exemption of XRP from the status of a security. The repercussions of these judicial decisions could be felt beyond the realm of XRP. It is suggested that there should be a transition toward a more nuanced understanding of digital assets, in which the inherent character of the tokens is separated from the context in which they are sold. It is possible that this may result in a regulatory climate that is more favorable for cryptocurrencies, which would in turn encourage innovation and growth within the sector. As a result of these developments, it is abundantly evident that XRP Ripple is at the vanguard of a new era in the cryptocurrency technology industry. These verdicts have the potential to provide greater legal clarity, which could pave the way for the acceptance and incorporation of digital assets into the financial system with greater widespread use. According to Mikkel's tweet, the disruption that was brought about by XRP is not just a transient upheaval, rather, it is the beginning of an era that will be revolutionary in the world of banking. Furthermore, it would be peculiar if these significant judicial triumphs did not have an effect on the price of XRP Ripple, wouldn't it feel? The exciting part, however, comes at this point. A lot of people are talking about how XRP Ripple is going to have an astounding growth this year. Do you feel prepared to learn the whole truth? Believe me when I say that the information that you are going to learn will blow your head. XRP Ripple is the digital asset that is at the heart of an exciting debate as the cryptocurrency market continues to undergo a period of continuous evolution. Is it possible that we are on the verge of a historic rally that might cause the price of XRP to skyrocket by a stunning 1,500%, reaching an astonishing $7.50. A well-known cryptocurrency analyst by the name of JD is of the opinion that this is not merely a wild forecast, but rather a reasonable possibility. In this article, we will go into the specifics of this audacious projection and investigate the reasons why XRP may be on the verge of a major breakthrough. JD's most recent study has caused a stir in the cryptocurrency industry. An intriguing chart that illustrates the probable path that XRP could take to reach a new all-time high was included in a series of informative tweets that he shared. It has been reported by JD that the current price of XRP, which is 47 cents, is on the verge of seeing a significant rising trend. He is of the opinion that the price of XRP might reach $7.50 by the year 2025, which would represent an astounding growth of about 1,184% from its current condition. This optimism is supported by a comprehensive analysis of the pricing patterns and historical trends of XRP, which JD has conducted. A striking link is drawn by JD in his research between the history of XRP and the prospective future of the cryptocurrency. In this article, he discusses the spectacular bull run that occurred in 2017, during which XRP reached its all-time high of $3.84 for January of 2018. This boom was fueled by a period of relative stability and a big increase in market interest, a trend that JD believes is going to repeat again. Market interest significantly increased during this period. JD believes that the same indications that emerged in 2017 are appearing now, indicating that there is a probability of another huge rally. XRP experienced an amazing growth in volume in 2017. According to the chart provided by JD, XRP has been trading within a big triangular formation ever since it reached its highest point in January of 2018. A similar pattern was witnessed between 2013 and 2017, which led to the remarkable surge of 60,000% that brought XRP to its all-time high. This technical formation is a reflection of that pattern. History has a tendency to repeat itself, and we are witnessing the same scenario that catapulted XRP to unprecedented heights in the past, JD explains. He is of the opinion that the current position of XRP within this triangular formation is a strong indication that a new breakout is on the horizon. Not only does JD exhibit this kind of bullish mentality, but it is still prevalent. XRP is expected to have spectacular future increases, but according to the forecasts of other analysts and experts, for example, Barry C. recently tweeted B. prepared for a $1,000 XRP, which indicates that he believes there will be tremendous appreciation in the future that will occur. Another highly known expert, Brett Hill, went one step farther and made the audacious prediction that the price of XRP would reach $1,500 in the year 2024. However, why should you pay attention to the judgment that JD has made? Those who fail to realize huge possibilities are referred to as dumb money investors, and JD has been vocal about the hazards that they pose. He recalls the market meltdown that occurred in 2017, during which a large number of investors liquidated their XRP holdings at a loss, just to miss out on the extraordinary rise that followed. JD advises investors not to make the same mistake again and again, stating that many people sold their shares at the low point, which resulted in them missing out on the 600x returns that followed. In his unwavering conviction, he asserts that those who are well prepared will have the opportunity of a lifetime at the approaching gathering. The fact that JD's analysis takes into account both past patterns and the current state of the industry is what gets people excited about it. The prediction that JD is able to make is one that many people find to be both exhilarating and credible. This is accomplished by analyzing the history and comparing it to the. There is more to this than just a stab in the dark. JD highlights the fact that the technical indications and historical precedents hint towards a significant opportunity for investors in XRP. When all of these events are taken into consideration, it is abundantly evident that XRP Ripple is at the forefront of a new era in the cryptocurrency industry. According to the clarity of the law that has been supplied by recent rulings and the technical analysis that has been performed by specialists such as JD, XRP appears to be on the verge of something significant. As demonstrated by Mikkel's tweet, the disruption that has been brought about by XRP is not merely a fleeting upheaval, rather, it marks the beginning of an era that